Now, with everybody focused on the price of cryptocurrencies, especially the price of Shiba Inu Coin, I want to talk about the likelihood of a continuation to the downside. Because right now, at the moment, Bitcoin, it's doing pretty well. Bitcoin's sitting above the $29,000 per coin mark, and it seems to be slowly rising off some of the lows that we saw around $28,600. And Shiba Inu Coin is rising as well, looking to retest and re-enter the 1,200 point per coin level, and that's good news. But what we had from Jerome Powell today was actually surprising. Because he's basically going against everything that he said just last week, and now he's flip-flopping his story and trying to put some of the blame and shame on everybody else except those that make the monetary policy here in the United States. So I do want to discuss what the Fed said and what it means for cryptocurrency in general, and especially Shiba Inu Coin. So if it sounds like something you're interested in, let's get started. What's up, everybody? I'm Clay. I'm here to make 2022 the best year ever. If you haven't clicked that subscribe button, make sure to subscribe to the channel. Join us, become a bro. We are here every single day, and we are growing our portfolios together. And look, if you're brand new to investing, you don't know how or where to buy stocks and crypto, got a link in the description below for Webull. Super simple to set up your account. Any deposit gets you guys 6 free stocks right now. Any $1 crypto trade, $5 in free crypto. And then you guys get crypto exclusive exchanges, each with their own rewards down there as well. But let's just jump right into it, right? Jerome Powell basically stating that we may not be able, and by we, talking about the Federal Reserve, may not be able to attain this soft landing that we had otherwise hoped for just last week when it comes to, I guess, controlling inflation. Now, what does that mean? Let's break that down in a little bit easier terms to understand. Jerome Powell thought that we could stave off a recession by increasing interest rates slowly, but in an accommodating way, and we wouldn't have to worry about a recession happening here in the United States and a contraction. I mean, that's what a recession is, when the economy contracts. Now, at the time that he said that, we already had 1 quarter of contracting GDP. A paper recession happens. That means the definition of a recession is 2 quarter after quarter periods of contracting GDP. Previous, the first quarter, it contracted by 1.4%, and, we will soon find out if we are currently living in a recession or not. I would assume that we are. Based on everything and the fact that nothing has changed yet, I would assume that we are living through a recession at the moment. The lagging indicator of the GDP will tell us whether or not we are continuing to contract at the moment. But what did he say today? Jerome Powell said that we may not be able to have this soft landing. And why is that important for cryptocurrency? Why is that important for Shiba Inu Coin? Guys, Shiba Inu Coin and the cryptocurrency market in general, I mean, you can see that the stock market got beat to death today. Cryptocurrency actually did very well, holding up, despite what Jerome Powell had coming out of his mouth. But Shiba Inu Coin is among the riskiest of the riskiest asset class. So, of course, if we do have a period of contraction where people are earning less money, people are spending less money, and the economy is not growing, but in fact it is declining, that would indicate that riskier assets should come down in value. During periods of uncertainty and fear, which we are absolutely facing right now, people leave risky assets and flock to safe assets like bonds, bank accounts, and so on. We have been seeing this happen since the November highs in the cryptocurrency and in stock markets, and in all likelihood, it's going to continue. Now, why do I say that? Not to be a downer, not to be some doom and gloom guy, but the fact that nothing is changing. If nothing is changing, what would be the catalyst to drive things higher? The only thing that could drive things higher at that point are people viewing prices as so cheap that they're forcing themselves to buy. But that type of activity isn't sustainable. You need people to continue buying, and eventually they'll reach a price where it's, well, this is not that cheap anymore. You need a reason to buy. And until we have the confidence built back up in investors' minds, we are going to continue seeing reasons to sell. A recession could absolutely lead to a further decline in this bear market. Now, guys, I mean, I know that we've been seeing decline after decline, and it's hard to know when your cryptocurrency is going to turn around, to know when Shiba Inu Coin is going to turn around, to know when these stocks are going to turn around and go up. But with Jerome Powell indicating that their monetary policy may not work. Why? Oh my gosh, it's not the fact that we printed like half of the global dollar supply in the last 2 years. It's not because we, allowed all of these shutdowns and lockdowns and everything to ruin supply chains across the globe. No, man, it's got other geopolitical concerns like Russia. Everybody blame Russia for everything. Nothing. We can't make our own decisions here. We have to react to everything that all of the other geopolitical concerns have going on. We have none of those here ourselves. And, I say that completely sarcastically because it seems to me none of these leaders, guys, if I sat here and told you one thing one day and the complete opposite the other day and had nobody else to blame but myself, but I chose to blame you, it sounds pretty sad, doesn't it? And that's exactly what we're getting these days. Everybody wants to blame somebody else, and we've got a leader of the Federal Reserve, in Jerome Powell, that is unwilling to take responsibility for monetary policy that is causing high inflation and dropping the value of, I know it might seem funny, but cryptocurrencies, including Shiba Inu Coin. So just, a little respect for yourself, man. Take some responsibility and move forward and fix the problem that we've got. It's as simple as that. I understand that it might not be a soft landing. I understand that it might not be an easy transition, but fix the problem. And then, when that happens, guys, no matter how much worse of a bear market we have to go through, no matter how much further Shiba Inu Coin and Bitcoin decline, when the bull market starts, it's going to be incredible. When the bull market comes and the gains come marching in, it's going to be incredible. If we give up now, we give up. If we give up now, we do not see the gains on the other end of the tunnel. I will not be giving up. I believe in the future of cryptocurrency. I believe in the future of Shiba Inu Coin. And as crazy as it seems, I believe in the future of the United States economy. So however much we have to endure on the way there, I will be here when it turns around. It's just, man, come on, Fed Chair Powell. Take some responsibility for your actions here and better the situation as opposed to casting blame on everybody else. I want to know what you guys think, though. Down in the comments below, let me know your thoughts on the entire situation and whether or not you think Shiba Inu Coin is about to recover or if the fear is going to continue growing, which I would find hard to believe at this point. And if this button right here is still red, make sure to click it, subscribe to the channel, join us, become a bro. We are here every single day, and we are growing our portfolios together. ClayBro883 on Twitter and Instagram. We will bind at shibainu.com for wager. And until the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day.